Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Ronnie from eatapplenewsblog, and on this video I'm reviewing an amazing iOS app called WorldDictionary. So let's get to it. When you first open the app, you're treated with a very nice and utilitarian display. So over here on the bottom is where you can select what languages you want to be translated to and from. This little button over here allows to switch language. So as you can see right now, I have currently set it to English to Russian. With this button, I can do the reverse of that, Russian to English. Now this is a very neat feature, and honestly for me this is the killer feature. This is your instant search. Basically what this does is when we're all traveling, or I don't know, you're in French class, Spanish class, whatever, you can point this to a sign, to a book, to whatever, and it will literally recognize the word and provide you an instant translation. Now for multiple languages, it also has the ability to recite it to you. So that way, if you don't know what to pronounce, you can also learn pronunciation, also teaching you how to speak the language better. So right now, I'm going to do a little test of the instant search. So right here, I got one of my pretty badly edited essays. You know, when you type essays, I got a lot of editing. So right here, I'm going to select it, and I'm going to point it at the word government. You can see how I already got government and already translated it into Russian. Now that is the correct Russian translation. Again, let's get another word. Let's get example. You can see perfectly how fast I got example and already translated. And this is a small text at a pretty normal distance. So you can imagine how this works on signs with big letters. Now I have gone out and tried this on the speed signs and all different types of signs like stop, watch out, and I've even went to a restaurant, looked at the menu in English and completely translated to Russian. This is also great if your grandparents or whoever come, you know, they don't have to go not knowing anything. Now they're going to know everything. But this app is really, its main purpose is for you to be able to be familiar and to be able to be more confident in a country that you don't know the language of. It can even be your own home country, who knows. Now, moving on, right here is where you can have an advanced search. So it shows the last picked up word, or you can type in whatever. So for example, example. I'm going to click that. It's going to give me the words, it's going to tell me that the translation is from Google, and that is correct. And then you can look up Wikipedia about example and YouTube videos from the keyword example. You can also listen to example, and you can also email or an SMS your results, and finally you can add it to your bookmark. Now bookmarks, I really found this an enjoyable feature because how this works is basically you build up your word library and it just adds to your overall vocabulary and also makes it easier for you to understand the language. So really everyone can have their own personal library. Now moving on, this button right here you can just have flash, so if you're out in the dark you'll be able to read whatever. Right? And again, this just shows you how accurate it is. Look how far I am, look how small text is, and it's still getting it right on. Ultimately, you have the settings here, which just shows you all the help. So if you ever need any help about what to do, they have a very nice, very easy to follow step-by-step guide on everything you'll ever want. And also an about version, which tells you what the version is, who made it, and you can visit their website. Overall, WorldDictionary is an amazing iOS app with all the features that it offers to the user and the added ability to be able to take a photo and then translate multiple sentences from it. Now this app does cost $7.99 from the App Store, and we here at Eat Apple News give this app 4 out of 5. This app is compatible with your iPhone, iPod, and iPad. Now we only recommend this to users who have an iPhone 4, iPhone 4S, iPod Touch 4G, and iPad 2 due to the fact that previous generations do not either have a camera or their autofocus capability isn't as good. Now that's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Definitely check out WorldDictionary, and if you do get the app, let us know in the comments below if you like it. Have a great day. Be sure to subscribe and definitely check out eatapplenewsblog.